Hi everybody, welcome back for step 3. So now we're going to be doing the lace corners with a stencil. You can see right here, I've got a lace corner with the pink. So what we're going to be using is this Bo Bunny stencil paste, and it is cotton candy stencil paste. And just have our stencil right here. And I just put this really as close up to the edge of this roll paper as I could, so it gives just a nice corner section. Okay, and I'm going to open up my paste. You're going to use your squeegee. Just lift some of this paste out. I'm just going to put this directly on my craft mat. And then you're going to want to have some paper towels or some baby wipes or something handy, because this step is pretty messy. Okay, so cover my squeegee, and I'm just going to put some, just smear that paint right on there, that stencil paint really evenly around this section. Make sure you go up, cover the whole thing. Now we're going to lift this off. Oops. There we go. Now, I'm going to set this down here because we're going to clean it. But this corner right here, pretty messy, so we're just going to lift that right off to scrape it off with the squeegee. And just return that here. And then before that's done drying, we're going to take the gold glitter. Just going to take a little bit directly from the pouch here and just sprinkle it right on there. Not too much, just a little, like the equivalent of a pinch of it. Okay, and we're just going to let that dry. And while that's happening, I'm going to clean the stencil, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to repeat this on all 3 corners, which I will do off camera, so that could just get pretty repetitious for you guys. So when we come back, I will show you how it looks when it's completed, and then we're going to go on to step 4.